Good morning. Right, we're back at it. So the piece at the minute looks washed out because there's loads of base colour on it and no actual definition, which is your blacks and stuff or your darker colours. So what I'm going to do today is check the proportions because something doesn't look right. The moustache and all in the actual picture is very dark, so it blends into the mouth. So if you look at it, you'll see that the mouth and nose look like a splodge. That's intentional because that area is darker and I can pick up like colours through that. The eyes and hat, I could start adding blacks in at this point, but I want to check the proportions. I want to put the blacks in and then we'll take it from there. But yeah, this is what it looks like at the minute. So yeah, if we can get the blacks in and sort out that sort of moustache mouth area, happy enough. Right, partial update. I've got the moustache on and it's looking a bit better. No, it still looks pants. The face, the eyes are not touched, so I'm starting to add the lower detail, the darks in on that, and check proportions, but the eyes are not even looked at in the hat. I don't know how I'm going to reach that, but yeah, it's progress, slow. Okay, we're finished for the day. See, WIP stands for work in progress. So if you're looking at this wall, it's work in progress. It's not finished yet, but we're getting it looking good. I'll show you now. So this is what we're looking like. It's so much work to do still on it, but you'll notice the WIP, work in progress. Overexposed at the minute and need to tone it down and finish the hat and the scarf, but we're getting there. Chuffed.